Evolution is defined as a gradual process in which something changes into a different, more complex or better form. And in the context of yoga, that something is one sense of awareness. As our awareness grows, evolves, and expands, we start to change the way that we view life. We start to see things from a little more distant, a little more of a bird's eye view. And rather than being so involved in the normal patterns and habits and cycles, we're able to step back and see our life from a different vantage point. This is what's referred to as higher consciousness. And this is what I want to give to you over the next 30 days in my latest program, Kundalini Evolution, 30 Days to Higher Consciousness. Over the next 30 days, we're going to be diving deep into working with the subtle mental layers of the chakras, the different energies in the body. And the science and technology of Kundalini Yoga has provided us with a variety of tools to be able to access and influence these different aspects of our mind. This course is for anybody who truly wants to develop a greater power of their mind, greater awareness of the body, and a greater understanding of how to influence their energy. Working with the chakras in this way is like the ultimate life hack. Using the tools and technologies that have been developed through the science and tradition of Kundalini Yoga, we can understand how to influence our energy, our state of mind, and our way that we're interacting with life. And we can use this to cultivate different states of being. So if we need to be vital and full of energy, there are specific practices for that. If we need to be empowered, confident, strong, and clear, there's practices that can cultivate that state. If we need to be romantic, kind, loving, forgiving, or creative, insightful, and inspired, there are specific practices coming from Kundalini Yoga to cultivate exactly these different states of being. So when we understand these technologies, these practices, we can put them to use and cultivate our life exactly the way that we want it to be. And as we do this, as we develop the greater awareness of our body and energy, this is how we step out of those patterns and habits that drive us when we're not aware. When we're in a state of ignorance and not really being present with what's going on, this is when life controls us. This is when those emotions flare up and we don't even notice and we react. This is when that difficult situation comes up and we don't even notice and we react. When we cultivate the power of the mind through these sort of practices, it gives us that moment in between. Something's happening, let me take a moment to think about it and then act, so we can become more active rather than reactive. And we can use the tools and technologies to cultivate the right energy for the moment. So I can show up more empowered when I need to be empowered. I can show up more loving when I need to be loving. It's amazing. I really love these practices. They've really changed my life, and I want to give them to you so that you can have the same benefits that I've received. I started teaching yoga only for this because yoga helped me to shape my life, to gain control, to give me a sense of purpose, to understand who I am behind the body, behind the mind, behind all of the material things that can distract us. And when you find that sense of self within through developing awareness of the mind, everything in life just starts to fall into place. And this is what I really want to give to you. And this is what I'm really excited to share with you over the next 30 days. Now, this program is a continuation of my last two 30-day programs, Kundalini Beginnings and Kundalini Ascension. So I won't be taking time to introduce many of the practices that we've already experienced, but rather we'll be going deeper. We'll be going deeper into the mental body of the chakras, deeper into working with the awareness, the ability to concentrate, the ability to use the mind to develop specific energies within the body. So those of you that have been practicing with me here at Refeel Yoga for a while, you can celebrate, because it means we're going to spend a lot more time practicing, a lot more time focusing on what matters, which is going into the practice, cultivating those energies within, and experiencing firsthand the altered and expanded states of consciousness that come with them. Because it's when you truly experience these energies, when you truly experience that shift of mind, something inside is like, wow, it's really working. And it gives you that validation, it gives you that affirmation, and that gives a lot of motivation to keep doing it. It's a compounding thing. As soon as you start to feel that shift happening, it's like, yeah, this is taking me in the right direction, and it becomes so good to go deeper. So I hope you can feel I'm very excited for it. I'm really enthusiastic about these practices. They've given me a lot of aspiration and a lot of personal development in my life, and I hope that we can pass that on to you through the next 30 days. So if you're as excited, grab your yoga mat, and I'll see you in the day one video.